Y'all want to know how I got expelled? All right, so I kept putting my knuckles on people. Nuck if you buck. It's always been where you had me fucked up at, where I had you laid the fuck out at, like, period. Like, I was never the type of person to be like, oh, you want to fight? Let's schedule it for next week on Tuesday or 3:30 when you got to school. No, I'm fighting you right where you had me fucked up at, bitch. Win or lose, I'm going to fight, period. I'm going to stand up for myself and always will. But, so, this is junior year. Me and Kenny, the fuck? Me and Kenny, we was on a break. Like, we was not dating. And at my high school, we had 4 lunches. Out of the 4 lunches, why do me and him got the same fucking lunch? And then he chooses to sit by me. Like, by me. Like, his table is literally, like, over there. Like, I can see you while I eat. So, like I said, I had this friend. She kept bringing him up. Like, she kept bringing him up all the time. Like, to